Aging and mortality are shaped by both genetics and environmental factors, but which has a bigger impact? A groundbreaking study analyzed data from nearly 500,000 individuals in the UK Biobank to determine whether our genes or the environments we live in play a greater role in how long we live and what diseases we develop. The study approach researchers conducted an exposome-wide association study, XWAS, analyzing 164 environmental factors and their link to all-cause mortality. These exposures included lifestyle choices, socioeconomic status, physical activity, air pollution, diet, and stress levels. Additionally, they compared these environmental influences to polygenic risk scores, PRS, for 22 major diseases, which estimate a person's genetic risk for conditions like heart disease, dementia, and cancer. The goal was to see which had a stronger influence, a person's genetic predisposition or their environmental exposures over a lifetime. Key findings: the exposome matters more than genetics. The results showed that environmental factors explained 17% more variation in mortality than genetics. While polygenic risk scores only added about 2% extra predictive power to lifespan variations, the exposome accounted for a much larger 17% increase. This means that lifestyle and environmental factors are far more influential in determining longevity than inherited genes. However, the balance between genes and environment varied by disease. Genetics played a stronger role in Alzheimer's disease and cancers, such as breast, prostate, and colorectal cancer. For these conditions, polygenic risk explained 10 to 26% of disease likelihood. Environmental factors dominated in lung disease, heart disease, and liver conditions, explaining 5.5% to 49.4% of disease risk. This means that for most major causes of death, lifestyle choices matter more than inherited risk. 25. Key environmental factors that impact aging and mortality. The study identified 25 environmental exposures that significantly influence biological aging and lifespan. The most impactful factors included negative influences, smoking, low physical activity, financial difficulties, social isolation, and poor sleep quality were associated with higher mortality and faster aging. Protective factors: regular physical activity, higher income, employment, and living with a partner were linked to better health outcomes and longer life. The biological aging clock. To further explore the connection between environment and aging, the study used a proteomic aging clock, a tool that measures biological age based on blood biomarkers. It found that smoking, inactivity, and chronic stress accelerated biological aging, while a healthy lifestyle slowed it down. What this means for you: this study reinforces that your lifestyle choices matter more than your genetic makeup when it comes to aging and preventing disease. While genes play a role in specific conditions, the exposome, the sum of your environmental exposures, has a far greater impact on overall health and longevity. Making small but significant changes, such as exercising regularly, reducing stress, quitting smoking, and maintaining social connections, can slow down aging and increase life expectancy. Ultimately, your environment shapes your health more than your DNA, and understanding this can help you take control of your long-term well-being.